System. In this section we look after multiple things like general configuration, system configuration, network gateway settings, backup restore points, etc. Let's look at them one by one. General. On the left hand side we can see the system's host name, date and time zone, and some other things. And on your right hand side, this section allows us to edit these parameters. For example, if we click on host name, we can change the host name from here. Similarly, we can set the date and time zone from here. We can even set the switch restart time from here. If you want, you can change the restart time from here. Disable general reporting. For example, if we don't want to allow anyone to pull out reports from the system for a certain period of time, we can actually set the time and date from here. For example, here you can set the time and duration. And block voice backup and delete days and block database backup and delete days works the same way as disable general reporting. Next thing is scheduling database backup. We should set the time here and the database backup happens automatically. For example, you just need to set the time here at what time you want to make the system to take the backup and save it. And multiple hard disk mapping can be done from here. As per system, hard disks are defined as HD0, HD1, HD2, HD3, HD5, etc. Whenever we want to add a new hard disk onto the system, we can add a new hard disk and we can directly map it here. For example, you can select the hard disk and you can map it to the system's hard disk. We can reboot and shut down the server from here.